Hello friends, I'm Christine from LS Lazer. Welcome to our channel. A customer told me that he was the first time to enter the pipe processing industry, but he has the limited budget and he wanted to buy an entry-level pipe cutting machine that is cost-effective and powerful. There are a variety of laser pipe cutting machines on the market with different prices and quality. So how can we choose our suitable business partner? And today I will show you our newly released V16 machine. As an entry-level laser pipe cutting machine, V16 machine has mid to high configuration. We also use real material to make the whole machine has excellent production performance. Small size, no need for a large workshop. It can realize the dream of pipe processing easily. How does it work? Let us see the unique of this machine. You can own the laser pipe cutting machine with highest configuration with an entry-level price. What are you waiting for when you start a business?